everybody, Candy here. Hello everyone, Pandy here of Pandy's Hair Candy and More. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, you are family here, you already know what it is. Welcome back and thank you so much for being here. Over here, for the most part, my channel does consist mostly of hair, both wigs as well as my natural hair care journey. I am a transitioned naturalista. I also do product reviews, TV show reviews, and give general commentary. I also do some other fun, quirky things on the channel, such as game nights and guest panels and things of that sort. But today I am coming on to share about the company that I have a monthly subscription service with. It is Cocotique. Okay? This is a monthly subscription that I have with them, you all. They are a self-care and wellness company. They cater to multicultural and diverse ethnic backgrounds, primarily women. And the way that Cocotique works is they offer you a $25 a month monthly subscription box, and they pretty much curate all of these self-care and wellness products, and they send them out to you on a monthly basis. You can cancel at any time, and they have a back office type of program where you can go in and review the products and earn points, and those points can then be stored up and later used to purchase the products if you desire to do so, or you can just purchase them outright at a discounted rate. So this came in my February box. It's weird calling them box because they seem to have moved to these totes, which I love, because in my area, for purposes of recycling, they have done away with the plastic bags here. So you can no longer go into the grocery store or restaurant and get a plastic bag. So you pretty much have to bring your own bags and or otherwise deal with those paper bags. So these totes come in handy. I actually like them. They're very sporty and they have nice sturdy handles on them. So without further ado, I'm just going to go through really quickly and show you all an initial unboxing of what came in my February box. I know it is a little late. It's March 1st. However, I have had this for maybe about a week now, and I'm just getting around to actually opening it. So it looks like this month, the featured hair product, and let me show you guys right off the bat. This is more than $25 worth of product right here. Okay? And this is just some of what was in the bag. Okay? So apparently Palmer's, the old school Palmer's cocoa butter, excuse me, they now have a hairline, and it is designed with Naturalista Sisters in mind. Okay, it is Cocoa Butters by Palmer's, cocoa butter and biotin infused length retention, gentle moisturizing, cleansing shampoo. It is packed with vitamin E and antioxidants. It is colored safe, no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no gluten, no dyes, no silicone. A naturalista's best friend. Okay, all the things you want to hear when you go to look for a cleanser. You don't want the parabens in there or the sulfates, because that's going to strip our hair and make it very dry and brittle. And we already have to combat that just off of the type of hair that we have, so we don't need any additional stress on our hair. So this is wonderful. This is 12 full ounces, 12 fluid ounces, so that is a bargain right there. In that same line, you have the cocoa butter and biotin infused length retention conditioner. It is also infused with biotin, vitamin E, and antioxidants, also color safe, and also 12 fluid ounces. Okay, this is awesome. In that same line, you have the leave-in conditioner. And I like that it is the liquid instead of a cream because my particular hair type, I have 4C kinky curly hair. So my hair likes a liquid or moisture-based leave-in conditioner better than a creamy conditioner. I can do a creamy conditioner, but if I have a choice, I would opt for a spray, a liquid, over a cream. So that's awesome. That is 8.5 fluid ounces. And then from that line, the last product was a length retention shine glaze serum. Locks in moisture and adds a shiny finish to dry hair. Color safe, silicone free, paraben, sulfate, gluten, and no dye. Free of all of those things. This is a 3.4 fluid ounce serum. This is awesome because these serums sometimes can cost anywhere from $10 and up. So that right there, y'all, is definitely well over $25, which is what I pay monthly. Okay, also in that line, they even threw in an extra little trial size pack of their two-step hair mask system. So if you wanted to go in and deep condition your hair, you have the option to do that. Also in there, it looks like for the face, there are these dark spot corrector pads. There is 90 count in this package here. And then you also have your Rose and Shine Refreshing Rose Water Toner. And that's 2 fluid ounces. So you've got your facial care there. Okay. Everything is natural and dermatologist tested. Let's see what else is in there. We're still probably right around $25, $30. You have your 2 sample sizes of lavender and camille body cream and a body wash. 82% improved skin moisture. Dermatologist tested. So they're giving you an introduction to this line here. Okay? Don't mind me, y'all, because after I get done recording, I'm going to the nail shop. And then here, it looks like we got some little samples to introduce us to some other products. These, I think, are some gummy bears, which I'll give away because I don't like gummy bears. I never have liked them. That's pretty interesting. From Curology. And then these are also from Curology. It is a moisturizer and a cleanser. And it's like a little cute sample size pack. And here, for the face, a 60-second gentle exfoliant. So what this is, I don't know if you all are familiar, but it's a silicone and glass instrument or tool. It's kind of rough on one side. I don't know that it's supposed to be bent like that, but maybe for your hand to hold it. But anyway, when you go into like the spa, they'll take something like this sometimes, and they'll just go in and exfoliate all of the dead skin, the dead surface cells off of the initial layer of skin, and it'll make your skin really soft and smooth. So this is cool, and I bet you this probably isn't cheap. It says it's suitable for acne scars, blackheads, whiteheads, and large pores. Suitable for all skin types, improves penetration of skincare products, improves skin hydration and elasticity, and it is a 60-second gentle exfoliator. So I will definitely be using that. And last but certainly not least, they included perfume. And it smells really good. It is Sensuelle Paris by Michael Germain of Paris. All right, y'all. So that concludes my February 2020 Cocotique unboxing. I am pleasantly surprised as usual. And you guys, if you are into personal self-care and wellness, if you are natural, if you are a woman of color or a multiculturally diverse background, I definitely recommend taking a look at Cocotique. For someone like me, I work long hours in the hospital setting. I just recently left my part-time job, so thankful to have more time available to me. But before, I rarely had time to get out and go pick up things for myself that I need as a woman. Things to do my hair with, things to take care of my skin, and just, run those what you might take for granted errands. So to have a monthly subscription service that actually ships it to me was wonderful. Now, like I said, you can go in if you're a content creator like myself, you can review these products on your channel. You can upload your reviews and actually earn points, and the point system is really nice. And your points can then be used to spend back to purchase more product, so you don't have to pay for it out of your pocket. Or if you do decide that you want to just purchase product through them, everything that they have is offered at a discounted rate to you. So definitely check Cocotique out. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you already currently receive a monthly subscription from them, let me know what your thoughts are about the company overall, what your experience has been. Would you recommend them? I certainly would. I have not had a bad experience with them yet, and each month I've been pleasantly surprised with the quality of products that I've received. All right, y'all, I'm Pandy of Pandy's Hair Candy and More. Thank you so much for watching. Please take a moment to blow dry on that like button. Please take a moment to share. And if you enjoy the commentary and the content on this channel, please take a moment to subscribe. It is free, 99. It doesn't cost you anything. All right, I will talk with you all later. Have a blessed day.